Hello, Brother Robertson. This is Christopher Cowan, and here is my video. So let's see. I'm in the PHP MyAdmin, and I did re-import the tables since I accidentally ran them all through without rollback after I had them all working. So I got them all in there, and they should be all unchanged. Yeah, that's fine, I think. Yeah, there's the Jeep Wrangler, so that's all there. Yeah, so it should be good to go. And so I'll start off with running these codes. I have the enhancement2.txt file. So the first statement is the new client, and I'll copy and paste Ironman in here. Let's see. There it is. And keep rollback off this time. I guess I'll click that and go. One row inserted. Let's check out the clients. And there's Tony Stark. He's the real Iron Man. Okay. Go back to PHP Motors, SQL, next code, modify Tony Stark to change client level to 3. So here's my code. Copy that. Paste it in there. Go. Didn't check the query box, that's okay. So let's go back to clients, make sure that worked. Uh-oh, do I need to refresh or what?
There's
man.
And now there's a bunny head. Yeah, from Piggy. The bunny head.
Hang on. Let's try that one more time. I don't know why that didn't work. Update clients. Paste it in there. Client level 3, client ID. Hope I didn't change the client ID. All right, let's give it another try here. Rotate query box. Go. 0 rows affected. Oh, so let me check out what Tony Stark is. So he's client ID 4 now. That's interesting. Okay, well, easy enough. Let me just go back to my code here. He is no longer 2, he is 4. Copy. And we are not going to let this get the best of us. Paste that in there. Let's give this a shot. Take query box. There we go. 1 row affected. Let's verify. Client ID 4, Tony Stark, client level 3. All right, now we're rolling. Let's go back to PHP Motors, SQL, modify the GM Hummer record. Hopefully I don't have any more problems like that. Shouldn't. All right, so here's this. We're going to call it spacious instead of small interior. Paste it in there. I'll retain that. Rollback is off. 1 row affected. Let's go to, where was that? Inventory. And we're looking at that description. What was it? The Hummer? GM Hummer. Boom. Spacious. All right. Good. Okay. And use an inner join. Invoice model classification name. Using the primary IDs as much as possible. Copy that in there. and I think we're supposed to get like four records back on this select statement. So let's see. 4 total. Wrangler, Machine, Escalade, Surveillance Van, all the SUVs. Okay. Back to PHP. Delete the Jeep Wrangler from the database. Copy that. Paste it in there. Boom. Let's do it. Do I really want to do it? I'm pretty sure. 1 row affected. Inventory. Jeep Wrangler is gone. Okay. Last one. Update the inventory to have the PHP backslash. We'll copy that. PHP SQL. Paste that in there. And let's see what happens. Go. 14 rows affected. Let's see. Inventory. Look over here, and there we have our PHP added to the inventory image and the thumbnail. Cool. So those are all those. Next up is our view, our 500 view. And so we created the PDO connection. And whoops, let's make sure that I, like you said in your video, make sure I unbreak it. I'll save that. Okay, and we should be good. I'm going to open in browser. Bang. And here's my blank page. All right, close that out. And let's see if I can break this again. I'll take that eye off, save it, and we'll open in browser again. There's my template page. This time, sorry, our server seems to be experiencing technical difficulties. Pretty cool. Our error. And I think that does it. Thank you.